Welcome back to Upfront and Honest Reviews. Today is November 16th, 2023, and you guys, I am so excited to tell you guys about these two companies that I had to tell you guys before I go and walk on the treadmill. Okay, so the first company is Splash Detailing. It is located in Las Cruces, New Mexico. You guys, they are an awesome detailing shop, you guys. Okay, so what I have behind me is our 2021 Atlas Crossboard SE with technology. And as you guys know, I was debating on whether or not I wanted to do the chrome delete myself or if I wanted to take it to a shop, and I chose to take it there because I want that black gloss finish. And sometimes you just can't get that with the Hyper Dip. You have to be, I would say, a lot more skilled than I am, right? You guys know I did a chrome delete on the Maxima, and yes, the Maxima is gone. We sold it to CarMax, and this is what replaced it. All right, so I am really excited because what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach two videos. The first one will be at Rudolph Volkswagen in El Paso, Texas, at the dealership before we got the vehicle. It's just a quick walk around so that you guys can see what it looks like on the outside. I originally recorded the video to show my husband, and now it has become my before picture, or I should say video. The second video is going to be when we picked it up at Splash Detailing. You guys, we were so excited. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys everything that they did so that you guys can look at the before and the after, and you guys will know what to look for. All right. Now, of course, you guys know I've done a chrome delete before, and it's not easy, okay? It doesn't matter what you use. If you use Hyper Dip, Plastic Dip, if you do gloss paint, it is a very difficult process to do, especially if you've never done one before, such as myself. My first chrome delete was the Maxima. As a matter of fact, that was my only chrome delete, and I wanted that black gloss finish, you guys, and I knew I would not be able to get it. So like I said, I chose to go there. Okay, so before the chrome delete and all the things that they did to our Atlas, the rims were already a gloss black. The door handles were already the color of the vehicle. I'm not sure if that's tuxedo black or what type of black that is, but it was already that color. The crossboard had a line above it and below it that was already a gloss black. And I believe that was it. Okay, so like I said, we'll start with the chrome delete. There was chrome at the bottom of the windows. There was chrome that went across the headlights. Also, there was 3 chrome bars, I don't know what you want to call them, in the front. And then you guys, okay, if you've seen an Atlas Crossboard, you know that some of them have the gray for the roof rails. I have no clue why they chose that color, but if it didn't match specifically or identically with the front, on the front grille there is a bar that goes across. It kind of makes an arch like this, and then there is the bottom piece, and that was also gray as well, which over time we discovered was kind of like a clay gray, kind of a dark clay gray. I don't know what you want to call it, but the thing about it is I think they were trying to do that to have it match the roof rails, and I just could not do it. Okay, so when I stopped by Splash and they asked me, okay, what do you want to have done? And you guys, it is so noisy today because there are some trucks going by. Just let me tell you, we're expecting some deliveries, so we're probably going to hear that, okay, because I've started this recording over several times, and no matter what I do, there's always a truck that goes by, like right towards the beginning of the video. So you guys, please excuse the noise. Okay, so like I said, the roof rails, could not leave them like that. Those 2 bars, or whatever you want to call them, in the front of the vehicle on the grill, I cannot leave it like that. Okay, so also there was chrome at the bottom of the windows. There was chrome, I don't know if I mentioned, across the headlights, and there was the 3 chrome bars in the front. There was 2 chrome bars going across the back, one where it says Atlas, and then one below, just above the reflector, kind of around in that area. Also, where you would see the tailpipes, I don't know how Volkswagen was able to do it, but I believe they covered that up. But still, there were 2 pieces, one on each side, that curved like this. That was chrome. I had that chrome deleted as well. Okay, so also in addition to that, they asked, do you want your headlights and your taillights done? And I thought, you know what? Yes, but I didn't know how it would look if I had them just do the wrap dark, right? So we came up with the idea to kind of have like that smoke look going in the front on the headlights. And I know you guys can't see it because I'm standing in front of it, but I didn't want it that dark. I like that look of the factory headlights, and so we decided to just have like a light wrap there. And then on the tail light in the back, when I get towards the back of the vehicle in the video, you will see that that's a little bit darker of a tint. Also, the 3.6 and the SE, and then on the other side of the back where it says for motion, I had that taken off, and we decided that it would probably have a nicer, cleaner look if that stayed off. So those are gone. I had to have the Atlas back, and they had to take it off anyway to do the wrap across that chrome. So I asked them if they could paint it gloss black and put the letters back on. As a matter of fact, they made the suggestion, and then I asked them yes to do that. Okay, so I want to make sure that I give credit where credit is due, because this was a combination of different ideas between myself, between Splash Detailing, between my husband, and we came up with something super awesome, you guys. I was so excited. Like they said at the shop, they knew that it was going to look nice. I mean, they do excellent work, but they were not expecting for it to turn out the way that it did, and neither was I. Okay, like I said, we knew it was going to come out nice, you guys, but it just kind of blew all of us away. So we talked for about 30 or 40 minutes the day that we picked it up. Also, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I had done, because I don't want to forget, so that when you guys look at the video, you guys will see everything that was done. Okay, so emblems, right? And I think, is this right here, is that called badging? I can't remember what that's called, where it says cross sport. Okay, so if I forgot to mention that, all the chrome that was right there, including, I believe, the letters of cross sport, that was all blacked out. And then the emblems on the front and back had a different result. Reason being is because on the front emblem, if I remember correctly, the VW letters are slightly lifted. So when you do the wrap, the tint, whatever you want to call it, over it, you can still kind of see the letters and some of the chrome. So it has more of like a smoke look, and I didn't mind that. I said that was perfectly fine, because the headlights are also with that same look. But in the back, the emblem is a flat surface. Even though it's curved, it's still flat in the sense that the letters are not lifted. So with the wrap on there, it turned it black, and then the letters VW are black as well, and you can still read them. I am really, really, really excited. I don't know what other word to use, but it's just really cool how even though both of them are gloss black, you can still see the letters. I love that. Also, I'm going through my mind, so let's do a recap, okay? Because I feel like I'm forgetting something, and I am. Okay, so we don't have to do the recap, because the wheels, the rims, whatever you want to call it, like I said, they were already a gloss black, but I had them wrapped to protect them. I believe it was clear that it was wrapped with. And then the caps. Yes, we got really, really detailed. When we got ready to drop it off, they asked me, is there anything else you want done to it? And I told them, I said, those center caps in the middle of the wheels, I don't know what to do about those. I don't know how they will look if we make them black so that they look like the back emblem, or if we make them look like the front. I believe the letters are also a little bit lifted on those as well. And so it came out like the front, which, like I said, I don't mind. So you can still see the VW, you can still see a little bit of the chrome, but like I said, it has like that smoke look. I don't know what other look to call it. And so I really like it because it all worked together. So yes, right toward the end, I said, I cannot leave those the way that they are. And I didn't want to have to try to pop them off myself and chrome delete them. So that is what we did to the vehicle, okay? And you guys, it just blew me away. I walked around the corner of the first bay, the door, and I was just like, oh my gosh. I could not believe it. We took videos, we took pictures. You guys know we also have another Atlas, and so we parked them side by side, took pictures and videos with it sitting outside and having them sit next to each other. So I was really, really happy and very, very thankful. They are very detailed. Time frame. Okay, so today, like I said, is Thursday. We picked it up this Tuesday. We dropped it off last Thursday. So if I counted correctly, that's 5 days that it took for them to do the work. And I don't know if they're open on the weekends to the public or if they worked over the weekends. All I can tell you guys is that in 5 days, I got a phone call. Hey, we're going to polish it. You can come get it in a couple hours. And we think you're really, really going to like it. And I do. I don't just like it, you guys. I love it. And let me tell you, my husband was really impressed as well. Okay, you guys. So, yes, that's Splash Detailing in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Make sure that you stop by and see them. Somewhere in this video, if I can fit it above me, next to me, I'll have the name and the address, the phone number. And if not, all of that information will be in the description box of this video. Okay, so make sure you guys look in the description box just in case it kind of flashes a little too fast in this video. Okay, so the next company I'm going to tell you guys about, and then I have to go because I still have to walk on the treadmill, and I have a lot of stuff to do today. But like I said, I had to make sure that I went ahead and make this video because I didn't want to wait. I'm just too excited, and I'll always be dressed like this because I walk every day on the treadmill. Okay, so the next company is Beyond Custom. They are also located in Las Cruces, New Mexico. They're in the Mesilla Valley Mall. And you guys, they don't just customize t-shirts and hats, embroidery, and different things like that they do. They also can do seatbelt covers if they can fit inside of the rings on the embroidery machine. Okay, so hopefully the video won't blur a lot because I didn't want to set it on top of the Atlas, seeing as how, like I said, they did a really good polish on it. But I have it right here. And I am so sorry if this video went blurry. Okay, I am so tempted to walk over there. But of course, when I walk back, it might blur anyway, right? Okay, so I'm going to hold this up and show you guys. I thought I'm in the neighborhood. I don't live in Las Cruces, but since I'm here, I might as well stop by and see if they can actually do the seatbelt covers, and they did. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little close, and I think I will go ahead and at least check our focus, and then I'll go ahead and set this back down. Okay, so with the name Maximus, I love it. I just had to let it stick. Initially, it was gonna be Max because it was a Maxima, right? And then I had a family member say, oh, you mean like Maximus Meridius, like the gladiator? And I was like, no, but that's a good idea. I love it, right? So yes, the name stuck. And now it's the name of my Atlas. All right, so let's take a close-up look of the seatbelt cover. Let's see how close I can get before it totally blurs out on you guys. Okay, let me get a good grip, you guys. Look at that. Just checking my focus here. All right, so I'm gonna assume I'm still focused and it's not blurry. I'm gonna set this down. Little movement as possible, right? You guys see how pretty that turned out? It was so simple. It was, what do you want done to it? They wrote up the paperwork. They told me the price of what it would cost before I left, so there was no surprises. And you guys, literally, they told me, okay, it's going to take us a couple of days, and it did. Okay, so I told them, I said, I'm not sure how long my vehicle will be in the shop. I'm having some detail work done on it, and so it will probably be, X amount of days before I can come back and pick it up. And they said, that's fine, you guys. But they finished in the amount of time that they said. And so I was able to, or I should say my husband was with me, we were able to stop by and pick it up on the same day. So I was so excited. You guys see how pretty that was? I showed them one of the other seatbelt covers and told them I want fonts similar to this. And I want this to be the bottom. I want this to be the top. And they said, okay. And as you can see, they did a great job. So again, that is Beyond Custom in the Mesilla Valley Mall in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And again, in the second video, the detailing was done by Splash Detailing, also located in Las Cruces, New Mexico. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 short videos that will be attached to this one. And you guys, I'm so excited because I'm still doing stuff to it. seat belt covers. You guys saw seat cover, steering wheel cover, things like that. One's for look, one's to protect, you know, the surface of the material and things like that. So I'm still not done, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do a before and an after of the inside. Okay, so if you guys watch my video about Rudolph Volkswagen in El Paso, Texas, you guys will see, like I said, I guess in a sense it would be the before of the outside and inside. Okay, so if I decide to show you guys inside, because I mean, Amazon, what can you not get from there, right? I totally dress up the inside of the vehicle with items from Amazon. Okay, so I may or may not do an after video and link those together. But other than that, you guys, like I said, I just wanted to say, have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you guys this Saturday for my recording of my treadmill walk and talk, my challenge. Okay, but until then, you guys, like I said again, stay safe, have a great day. And as always, thank you guys for watching Upfront and Honest Reviews. And again, thank you so much to Splash Detailing and Beyond Custom. Bye, you guys. It's a 2021, it's as is. There's no warranty, so we would have to get an extended warranty. There's the inside. I don't know if you can see it. You know, I don't like the peanut butter, but I do like how it's different colors. It's really pretty. Let's see if I can get it from the side here. Hi. Oh, thank you. Now I was recording it because I know my husband has been talking about